Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to disable share button on Facebook. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you already posted, alright, for example, we have here this one, posted 5 hours ago. Now, a share button will be available. Now, what you'll do to fix that or to hide the share button is by going to the three dots right here at the top right of the post. Alright, and once done, go ahead and tap on Edit Privacy. And then make sure that it's only set to friends. Alright, and once done, click on Save. And after that, go ahead and swipe down. Now scroll down a bit. And when someone looks for the share button right here, it won't be available. Alright, as only your friends should be able to see this specific post. Now, another option, if you want to stop people from sharing your post to their stories, well, you'll have to go ahead and go to your settings right here, settings and privacy, settings, wait a bit, and then go ahead and find audience and visibility, this one, this tab, and then just go ahead and find profile and tagging. Now, as you can see here, we have this option, allow others to share your post to their stories. So what you'll do is just go ahead and disable this feature, wait a bit, and then once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, the third method, or the third option, is by completely blocking the sharing feature, or basically hiding the post from everyone. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to our profile, just like so. Find the post, tap on the three dots, edit privacy, and then tap on See All. Set this one to only me. So this completely removes the share button and hides the post from your friends' feeds entirely. So that is how you disable the share button in Facebook. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.